welcome. Here we are aiming to make skincare a beautiful act of self-love and self-care. Make it fun, simple, and effective. And I want to talk a little bit more about very common skincare mistakes and how to fix them. So I absolutely very much love what I do. And one of the biggest blessings of my job is the connections I get to build with each one of you, with my beautiful clients. Seriously, I feel grateful every day that I am like invited into your world and I get to connect with you and allow you to open up a little bit, relax a little bit more, and enjoy taking care of yourself and your skin. And none of my clients is just a number on a calendar. You're beautiful women and men and teenagers, and I really do care about. And I know that skincare can be overwhelming, and especially with social media, that we hear so many things around. We don't know really what to do, and I really try to give my best knowledge and tips with what I can to help you feel more confident in your skin and cared for, and to make this journey enjoyable. So I want to talk about some things I see often, common skincare mistakes. And don't worry, I'm not calling anybody out. You didn't fail the test. We're all here to learn. Nobody born with knowledge of everything all the time. We all learn and grow from each other. So the goal is to simply help and guide in what I know, and I always learn from you as well. So first common skincare mistakes is falling for social media trends. I love good skincare product or tip that is beneficial, just like everybody else. But social media isn't always the best educational place to get advice for your skins. There are countless of examples and not so good advices out there, like going out to the sun to heal your acne, rubbing lemon on your skin to diminish your pigmentation, and a lot of weird trends. Another example is, maybe you heard about that, is beef tallow. Yes, like rendered animal fat as a moisturizer. While it may seem natural and nourishing, it's important to know that it actually can be super heavy for most of skin type, and this heaviness can clog the pores and trap bacteria and create like a mess on your skin. But it's also far from being clean, far from being hygienic on the skin. So I don't like this trend, and I will never use it, and I recommend nobody to use it. And my fix for that, just because something is natural, although I come from the natural world, that just because something is natural, it doesn't mean it's right for your skin. Trust a routine that's made for your skin type and your goals, not from someone else's viral moment. And if you're curious about something, just ask me. And for example, I love essential oils. My skin loves them and tolerate, but for so many people, it's irritated as hell. So even though essential oils are natural, they are not good for everybody. Same with any other ingredient out there. Like, it can be amazing for Jessica, for her acne, it healed it, but for Robert, it irritate his skin and create more mess. So listen to yourself and listen to real experts, not on TikTok. The second thing is skipping your moisturizer because you have an oily skin. It's a little bit breaking my heart, this one, because I totally understand why people do it. If your skin is already oily, why would you want to add more? But here's one thing, oily skin needs hydration as well, and stripping it and dry it, it's like putting the skin in this emergency mode that it gets like into this alarm and disbalance that it will either create extra oils and more oils because it's like an emergency mode, I have no oils, let me make more, or it makes it super flaky and dry, which also can create breakouts and acne. So my fix is choose a lightweight gel-based moisturizer that support your barrier, your skin barriers, but doesn't leave greasy residue. Remember, even acne-prone skin needs hydration, and sometimes you can have dry skin with acne, which is a weird combination. Example for a great gel cream is the Summer Rose, for example. From Pure, it's a gel-based, it's super light, but still hydrating. Another point is using too many products at once, at the same routine. More isn't always better when it comes to skincare. Your skin may only be able to take a minimal routine or less than other people because that's what it needs. And when you put too many things, all the actives together, all the everything that you have heard or learned about or you have in your bathroom at once, the skin doesn't know where to go. It's like, okay, exfoliating. Oh, actually, no, this is like anti-pigmentation, hydration, cleansing. I don't know what to do now. So chill. My fix is simply, I or another professional can help you figure out which products are best for you and helping you, and you want to take like a closer look on your skin needs and take it step by step. You can even go to the minimalistic routine, which is cleansing the skin, moisturizing, some kind of treatment, and sun protection during the day, and you're good to go. It's like you will, I don't know, it's like a tasteless all-you-can-eat buffet that you just like eat everything and you don't feel the taste anymore. Next one is trying everything before asking for help. Now I get it. Between Google and social media, it can feel like you are supposed to have all the answers when it comes to your skin. But the truth is, you don't have to figure it out on your own. That's exactly what I'm or other professional here for. And yes, the internet can give you a lot of answer. You just need to know your skin a little bit and know what to take from the excuse me, the videos that you see. And my approach is simple. Let's talk. Whether it's me or another professional, whenever you're overwhelmed, you're dealing with breakouts or just unsure where to start, what to do, is this good for me or not, there's no shame. I'm always here to help you. Another common one, not wearing SPF daily. You already know this one, but I have to include it because it's important and I will not stop talking about it. UV damage leads to aging, pigmentation, dullness, uneven skin tone, breakouts, and skin cancer. So if you investing your money in treatments and expensive skincare and you don't use sun protection, bye-bye to all your money wasted. This is the most important step. And so you want to not skipping it. And the solution is find a sun protection that you enjoy applying, not something that feels heavy and greasy and leave a white cast. When you enjoy it, you will put it. And the best sun protection is the one you actually going to use. These are my few common skincare mistakes. Again, it's not calling anybody out. It's just helping. We are not supposed to know everything all the time, but I love to help you. And if you have any more questions, if you have any more ideas of common skincare mistakes that you see around, leave them down in the comment below. And yeah, just enjoy your skincare routine, enjoy your journey, and try to avoid these things.